How to change your password on Spotify. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps and how you can change your password on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change your password on Spotify, simply open the Spotify application, but remember that we won't be able to change our password from the Spotify app. So instead what we want to do is we want to actually open up your browser, go to spotify.com, and then make sure that we are signed into our account. Once we sign into the account, what we want to do is just tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the gear icon, go to the option called view account here, and you'll be taken to the account overview page by default. Then you want to simply tap this drop down menu icon here, and then here you'll find this option known as change password. Just tap on it. And when you tap on the change password option, it will take you to the new page where first of all you can simply enter your current password, then enter the new password, repeat the new password that you want to change to, tap on the set new password button, and your password will be successfully changed on Spotify. This way you can change your password on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.